Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today we're gonna transform these two Lightning McQueens. This one is gonna be in the red suit, and this one is gonna be in the black suit. We're also gonna open this chocolate toy surprise of Spiderman. We're gonna start by covering McQueen with red Play-Doh. Now that we have Lightning McQueen covered in Play-Doh, we're gonna add some stripes, just like you see on this Spiderman. Okay, spiderweb stripes are done in Lightning McQueen. Now he needs eyes. First we're gonna need black Play-Doh. And now we're gonna need white Play-Doh. Now we need a spider. We're gonna try to make one just like this one. And the red Spiderman is done. Now we're gonna work on the black Spiderman. First we're gonna cover this entire Lightning McQueen with black Play-Doh. Now that we have this McQueen all covered, we're gonna give him some stripes. Let's make the eyes using white Play-Doh. And now we're gonna make a spider also with white Play-Doh. And now we have our Spider-Man in the black suit. I got you now, Black Spidey. Well, let's open this chocolate egg surprise and see what we have here. Cool, a little miniature Spider-Man. We also got a tiny little flyer. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more egg surprises in Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.